pot bottom.
People, we are in Port Antonio again, and we are at Tab C's. You can see it says 2020 Tab C's, and that's the restaurant. That's a snack shop and restaurant that we're gonna feature at this moment. Okay, it's located on the new plaza in Port Antonio. All right, just as you enter Port Antonio, it's on your left hand side. You see that plaza there? Yes. And over here you find Tab C. So I think we're going to go inside and we're going to meet some of the beautiful people that get all these things together. You can see we have some customers. They're doing their thing. You can see this is Tab C's. Okay, that's the beautiful logo here. And we are inside Tab C's. We're going to see the beautiful lady over here. She is in action and she's doing her thing. And I think she's making a smoothie for a customer here. And here we go. And this looks like something special going on here. Ice cream galore. Yeah? What are you making, sweetheart? What is it? A milkshake. Okay. She's making a milkshake. And a whole lot of goodness inside that milkshake. Here we go. Inside Tab C, you know all the miracle going on. All the sweetness right here again. You know, we have a lot of things going on. We are going to meet the man that is responsible for all these goodness inside Tab C's. Well, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, boy.
How are you doing, man?
I'm good.
Beautiful. It's good to meet you. It seemed like a good goal. I've been searching you for months. Well, now is the time, or now is the moment. Okay? Well, as I said, seemed like a teacher guy, right? Are you from there? Oh, represent. Anyway, one of your rival guys is here. Okay, we are here at Tab C's, and here we go. The man with the moment. What's your name, sir?
My name is Nicholas Chambers.
Mr. Nicholas Chambers. I see you're on the mall in Port Antonio, new plaza here, and seems like you have something special going on for everyone.
Right. So I'm one of the partners. The other partners in the business partner is Sashika Bali.
Yes.
Right. So what we're doing here is a fast food restaurant.
Beautiful.
Right? But we don't do rice and pizza and chicken. We don't do any of those things. What
Okay.
we do is waffles, bagels, sandwiches, salads, and of course our ice cream, rolled ice cream. So we make ice cream in front of the
Yes.
in front of the customers.
Okay.
And they get the ice cream, we do smoothies and we do shakes.
Beautiful.
So as I said, what you're going to get here is fast food, not rice and pizza.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Good to hear that.
So fried chicken, buffalo wings,
Beautiful.
omelette. You can get omelette in the morning, and as I said, waffle, bagel, egg sandwiches.
Okay. What I want to ask you, because things been happening all over the parish, and this is one of the new things that's been going on.
Yes.
What is special about this place that everyone got to come to Tab C's?
What is special about it?
Yes.
You won't find anywhere else in this parish,
Uh-huh.
and one other place on the entire island
Yes.
that does rolled ice cream.
Guys, listen to what the guy said. What the guy said a while ago? The only.
Only one competitor we have in the entire island.
All right. You won't say it. All right. There you go. That's the only one. That's the only one. There you go. What I want you to tell us, tell the people, yeah, what time you open and how you do, how you enter business.
Open at 7 in the morning
Uh-huh.
for the purposes of the curfew.
Beautiful.
That's a risk management act. We do
Beautiful.
at 9 in the night.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. When that is lifted, we're going to go up until 11 in the night.
Oh, and you're talking about 6 days a week, am I right?
From Sunday to Sunday.
Sunday to Sunday.
Every single day.
Every single day, Tapsi is open. So Tapsi, what I want to ask, you got a number that people can call you and say whatever you want to do, business-wise?
368-1493. For those overseas, let me repeat the number correctly.
Okay.
876
Yes.
368
Uh-huh.
1493.
Okay.
And you can find us on Instagram at tab_C
Yes.
2020. That's CAB,
Uh-huh.
all common letters,
Uh-huh.
CAB_C 2020. And you can find us there.
And you'll find Tapsi's.
And you can call and place your orders. We will deliver in and around Port Antonio.
Okay. Do you have anybody that want to take your the delivery out, or you do that yourself?
We do that.
You do yourself. Do you like anybody to do that for you?
We would welcome any partner who wants to get into that.
Okay.
business,
No, because you have true delivery that's around the corner. That's do all of that. I'm
No,
just saying.
Well, they perhaps
Because
I come and talk.
beautiful. Seem like you give us all the menu. You give us all the menu that you serve for
I
people.
give you most of what
You give you more, and the most essential thing is that.
The most essential thing is fried chicken, buffalo wings, tuna salad, chicken salad, egg sandwiches with bagel or waffle.
Beautiful.
Omelette, that in the morning, porridge tea in the morning as well. And as I said, we have rolled ice cream, we have smoothies, we have shakes.
I think I've seen some form of alcohol on your menu top.
You can, yes.
What are those all about?
Once you're above the age of 18,
Yes.
you can
Indulge in that.
Jazz up your smoothies.
Smooth up your smoothies. Okay.
With either Bailey
Oh, beautiful.
or Jerry or
Okay.
Appleton
Uh-huh.
or Smirnoff.
And here we go. We have it right here. This is what he's talking about right here.
Any one of these you can
Top up your thing.
top it up with. Yes.
Okay. So let's see what's happening. It's a pleasure meeting you, sir. And it's good to know that we have Tapsi on the run going. Okay? So listen, Tapsi's Pop Button Kitchen. Thank you very much. We'll talk to you soon. We are still in the mall and we are in Port Antonio, as we say, yes. Right here. Over here you'll find Becky's Divine. Okay? You'll find Becky's Divine. And it's in the new plaza in Port Antonio, right on Bunbrook. And this is where you find Becky's Divine. Alright? And as we go along, as we said, all of you, welcome to Port Antonio. And when you come to Port Antonio, you're going to come to this place. Becky's Divine. We're going to meet the man that is in charge of this awesome place here. We need to find him, but I got to understand this is a five-star setting, so they have their table settings and all that. Anyway, we're going to meet the man that's in charge of all the goodness. Good afternoon, young man. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Welcome to Becky's Divine Delight.
Okay. All right. And your name is?
My name is Chef Anthony. I'm the executive chef here at Becky's Divine Delight.
Beautiful. Well, Mr. Anthony, here we go. In Port Antonio. Something different, something unique. All right? I want you to tell the people in Port Antonio what you have to offer. 2021. We passed 20 up behind, so 21. What's beautiful about this? What's different about this place?
Well, definitely what's so different about this is a semi-fine dining concept restaurant, which offered one of the most diverse menu concepts within Port Antonio. Definitely. We offer burgers, fries, smoothies, shakes, and then we have that fine dining concept where you get something where you cannot get every day, like chicken Alfredo, Marla chicken, just the name of it.
Beautiful.
We have our chef specials, which is made by me specially. Every day we have a new chef special.
Beautiful.
Chicken and broccoli in garlic sauce. We got fish done to order, curry coconut, brown stew fish. Just to name a few. We have it all here. We also have salmon. We do birthday, we do catering, everything you need right here at Becky's Divine Delight.
Okay, so what Mr. Anthony is saying to the people that you do special events?
Definitely.
Okay. and you know, there's a number. There's somebody can call you and say, "Listen, here we go. Tell us what's going on."
Yes. So we're located at Bayshore Plaza, Shop 23.
Beautiful.
Right, you can check us out on Instagram at Becky's Divine Delight, Facebook, Twitter. You get all the updated information, contact information, everything.
Beautiful. All right. So I want you to tell the people in Port Antonio what time you open, what time you close, what's the schedule arrangement about timing and dining.
Okay, we open for breakfast at 7 a.m. in the morning and we go up to 8 in the evening. So
Oh,
we're a restaurant that offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
beautiful. So what's the kick off your breakfast? What's the kick on your breakfast?
We have our continental, which is the American concept, which is fried egg, toast, you get a glass of orange juice. We also do omelets for an international aspect of the restaurant. We also come back to Jamaica for that local touch, which is ackee and saltfish. Fried dumpling, saltfish fritters, you name it, we have it.
Okay, so what Mr. Anthony is telling the people that you have a pop-up menu. Anything you say on your tongue, listen, you get it in your mouth, right?
You get it right here.
Beautiful. So here we go. We are at, what's the name of your restaurant, sir?
Becky's Divine Delight, Shop 23, Bayshore Plaza, the most diverse menu in Port Antonio right now.
Okay, so this is a new thing that's been happening in Port Antonio. As we say, we're on what plaza?
Bayshore Plaza.
Bayshore Plaza, where everything is happening. All the creativity of Port Antonio pertaining to food. We have it right here. And here you are from the chef, executive chef Anthony at Becky's Divine. All right? And it's good to have you at Pat Bottom Kitchen, telling the people what's going on. And as we say, click, share, and subscribe at Pat Bottom Kitchen. And we will show you all the love around Port Antonio. All right?
Thank you very much.
Yes. Good to have you. And peace out. Now I'm over a plate of fries and chicken right here, and we are in Melonius Cafe. And this is one of the dishes that they offer inside here. Okay, and this is chicken and fries. You come inside Melonius Cafe, you're going to find the people serving chicken and fries. Okay, and it's on the Ocean Plaza. Okay. Right in the Ocean Plaza, you're going to find the Millennials Cafe. Alright, and this is one of the dishes they do inside the Millennials Cafe. Okay? So tomorrow naturally is going to be their grand opening. Let's probably say next week. As you can see, today there's a little taste buds going on around. Yeah? And we're in Millennials Plaza.
You're in Coastline Bliss.
Beautiful. Okay. And these are the people who are responsible for this beautiful place. Am I right?
Yes.
Beautiful. Well, as we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen take you all over the world, and now we're still in Port Antonio, and we're in Coastline Bliss. Okay? So there's something special you want to introduce the people into in your place. Tell me what's going on.
Sure. Here at Coastline Bliss, we want you to eat and dream and experience.
Let's see what's going on over here.
An experience where it takes you to a whole new place.
Beautiful.
We also want our customers to experience bliss on their plate.
Alrighty.
And with bliss on a plate, you will have sure satisfaction.
Sure satisfaction. Okay. That's the matter of the moment, alright? Oh, there's something going on here.
Yes.
Beautiful. Oh, the people are dining. Alrighty. And this is your first customer, is it? This is your first customer on your opening day, am I right? Okay, now I'm looking at the hostess. What's your name?
My name is Chanel.
Chanel. And Chanel, is that your first day? Beautiful. Oh, you like it already? Good? Is it good? Yeah? And the other guy over here. Listen, man, this is special. Beautiful. All right. Here we go. All right. Now, listen now. In Coastline Bliss, we have something else on that side of the wall. Come and tell me what's going on over here.
Yes, over here we have our hashtag Attain Cloud 10. What we do here, yes, here we have our hashtag Attain Cloud 10.
Yes.
For this, what we're referring to, we have a set of 10 signature cocktails created by our master mixologist, Jamaican. And what we do here, it does offer the most amazing experience.
Yes.
And you can take any one of your own special routes, selecting any one of these cocktails to get to Cloud 10. We go beyond Cloud 9, we go to Attain Cloud 10. So do ensure to come along with our experience.
Okay, I'm talking to a person. What's your name, sir?
Yes, I'm Nicholas. I'm one of the persons very much so involved in this endeavor, and I love to see you come along.
Beautiful. And the lady beside me, or beside you, what's the name of the lady?
My name is Sakara Hurd, and I'm also one of the owners here at Coastline Bliss.
Okay.
Alright.
So these are the young entrepreneurs of Port Antonio, am I right?
Yes, that is correct.
Beautiful. So tell me, what's the ultimate goal in this place? Tell me what's going on.
Yes, our ultimate goal here is to offer a fine dining experience matched with excellent customer service experience that we've noticed has been really lacking in this area. And as such, we really want to offer you that amazing value and a really, really memorable experience.
Beautiful. All right. And the lady, what she's saying now? Tell me. Put something to it. Spice it up.
So here at Coastline Bliss, again, we eat and dream. We have bliss on a plate, and you will experience sure satisfaction. So just come on up.
You know what? I'm going to do a little interaction with your guests. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, beautiful. I'm going to go over by the table here where the guests at and hear what's going on. Hello, ladies. Is a ladies' night out or what? Is it?
Yes.
Oh, are we enjoy your meal?
Yes.
Amazing. And what are you having, madam? Baked chicken and? Tossed salad. And what are you having over there? Beautiful. It's good? And what about the lady over here? What's her name?
My name is Sharifa, and this is a sure place for satisfaction.
Oh, amazing. I think the managers and staff would love to hear that. Okay, good. Enjoy your meal. That's how it is in Port Antonio here, okay? Taking it to another level. I think something else special is going on inside Coastline Bliss, and I'm going over to meet the lady. And she's telling me about something here. I don't know what it is, but here we go.
Alright, so here we have our backdrop. It is our picture-friendly space in Coastline Bliss where you can come, you can pose, and you can take your pictures, memories from Coastline Bliss.
Okay, so here we have it. We have a photo session right here inside Coastline Bliss. If you come around dressed up all looking fine and nice, there's a backdrop here that can take all your memorable photos and take back and show your family and friends. Yes? Beautiful. All right. There we have it. Young entrepreneurs of Port Antonio. Here we go. All right. So, as we say, Coastline Bliss taking the thing to the people again, and it's Port Antonio is on the map again. Am I right? Port Antonio is on the map again. So, here we go. Coastline Bliss. Okay. Here you have it. The young stars of Coastline Bliss. Okay. And the young man, the gentleman, I don't know, but all these guys are the young entrepreneur of Port Antonio, and they're going to take the thing to the world, okay? So let's hear it from the boys. All right, there you go. Thanks. That's what it's all about. Papa Don Kitchen again to the world.
Pat Batam.